Morning, everyone. Welcome to DevOps Linux AWS with AI session. We are in Jenkins. Today, what we are going to work on with Jenkins with users. Okay. So for that, I need to create one EC2 instance, and then we will work on Jenkins. So let me go to my, already I have logged into my EC2 instance. Okay. I am now logging. I am creating one instance. Okay. I will give today's date, 21 May, Jenkins instance. Okay. I'm giving this name. The operating system is Ubuntu. I'm choosing operating system. I'm choosing Ubuntu. Then T2 Micro. Okay. I don't require this key pair, but let me create one new key pair. Key pair. Key pair. 21st May. Okay. Same file. Key pair 21st May. Yeah. Allowing it is HTTPS. Okay. So now we will create one instance. Everything is fine. Launch instance. Now our instance is launched. Our instance is launched. Okay. We will follow the steps quickly. It requires only 2 minutes to just install Java and Jenkins. Then we will work with users today. Okay. So this is the instance. Let me connect from here. Let me connect from here. Connect. According to our node, this is our nodes. These are our steps. Okay. Once this connection will be established, yeah, you should become connected. You are aware of these steps. First, what we are doing, just sudo app update. It will install the package. Then we will install Java. Then we will install Java as Java required for Jenkins installation. Right click, paste here, then enter. Yes, enter. How to check Java? Java-version is the command. Once this installation is done, we will check the command Java-version. So what is the command? Java space hyphen version and then enter. So we are able to successfully install the Java. So after that, it is for Tomcat. We don't require at this moment in this server Tomcat. So I'm not installing. Okay. Tomcat is fine. Then I need to install what? This is fine. Changing the port number of Tomcat. We will go here. This is the command to install Jenkins. Let me copy this step. Paste here the command and then enter. What is the next command? Okay. I need to copy this also. Paste here. Enter. Copy this. Paste here. Then sudo apt get install Jenkins. Paste here. Enter. Yes, enter. Install. Now let me start Jenkins. Paste this command. Start Jenkins. Let me check the status of Jenkins. Paste here. Started Jenkins server. Okay. Now we need to use this command to get the admin password. Okay. Control C to come out of this. Paste here. With this, we will get the password. Okay. Now what is we need to do? We need to connect to Jenkins. So for this, let me give the security group also for 8080 so that we can able to access Jenkins on port number 8080. Edit inbound rule and add 8080 from anywhere, and let me save this rule. Okay. Now come back here in EC2 instance. Only one instance is running. This is the one which we created just now. Let me copy this. Let me close other thing. Paste here. Paste here. Colon 8080. So it will ask for what? This password, right? First time. Admin password is required. Let me copy this. Let me paste here instead of this. It is not copied means copy, copy, paste here. The same way we can configure here. Go to EC2 instance. Here, let me give the password. Continue. Yeah. Install plugins. So all the plugins, basic plugins which is required, it will be installed. So guys, now whatever we configuration we do, we are going to do that is for admin, right? So in projects, in company, everyone don't have admin access. This is how we are logging and just now configuring the admin account. So with that admin account username password, everyone is not using. When we are configuring here, what is the saying? Create first admin user. So when I will configure here, what I am creating? Admin user. In project, 100 people are there. We cannot give this credential to this everyone. That is our today's topic. We have to change this admin user. We have to create users today for different purpose, for different roles, for different activity. But just a second, I am stopping my screen share so that I can add the detail here. Okay, 1 second, please. I'm sharing my screen again. Confirm the password, otherwise. ठीक है, आई एम डूइंग सेव एंड कंटिन्यू. VK Cloud is the username. Start using Jenkins. Setup is ready. ठीक है. So now guys, I am able to log in, right? Now I am to log in. So now I will go to one path where we are right now. Here, come down. Now let me note down the notes. Working with user. Working with user. So we know just create an EC2 instance. Create an EC2 instance. ठीक है. You, if I am saying install Jenkins, install Jenkins and configure admin credential. You are able to understand what I'm saying to do. I'm trying to say in this two step. Okay. Now next step. So where we will go? Where is path? There is a path where /lib /Jenkins /users. So this is the path where we can see where is the user. This is the path where we can see where is the user. Okay. Now let me go to EC2 instance. Where is my EC2 instance? This is my EC2 instance. This is my EC2 instance, right? EC2 Ubuntu. Okay. Now, okay. Now let me paste here. CD space, CD space. One second. Let me do ls. Sorry, ls hyphen ltr. Okay. Let me go to this where paste here. Where lib Jenkins and then users. Enter. Okay. Now present or pwd. So this is the present working directory. Now I will do ls -l. You are able to see, right? VK Cloud. Just now we have created one account. And there is a file called users.xml. Let me go inside this file. See, this is admin account, right? This is an admin account. Okay. What is RWX? RWX means read, write, execute permissions. Okay. Now let's go inside this file users.xml. What is the command? vi command. Let me do some vi users tab.xml. Are you able to see my screen now? See, there is a users. There is a users, but we cannot modify this file. Just now we created one user, and this is some encrypted password is there, which is coming in this way. If I will try to edit this, I'm not able to see what is showing. It is only a read-only file. User.xml is what kind of file, guys? Read-only file. So how I can come out of this? Escape button, press escape button, colon, only Q means quit. We are coming out of this file. Now I am, I will show you one diagram. I'll try to understand. So for example, this is our Jenkins. This is our Jenkins. Okay? And these are the different users. These are the different users. This is one user. Okay? This is one team. Okay? Now this is another team. And let's say this is another team. There are different people in for different work. This is one team, this is another team. Okay. and this is Jenkins. This is Jenkins. Okay. This is Jenkins, and this team is interacting. This is DevOps team. This is DevOps team. Okay. This is DevOps team. This is one testing team. This is testing team, and this is developer development team. This is development team. So what everyone want to use Jenkins, right? Whenever required, everyone want to connect to Jenkins. So each team has different member. Each member had different rules, right? For example, in development team, maybe there are 10 people, 10 developers. So far, few are junior developer, few are senior developer, few are let's say one or two guys are lead level, right? Based on their rules and responsibility, we have to provide the access. Okay. So let me so in one project, in one, any project, in any project, in any project, all the team all the team members should have Jenkins access. Jenkins access. Should have Jenkins access. Okay. DevOps team, DevOps team members will use Jenkins to create Jenkins jobs, Jenkins jobs for build and build and deployment automation. Clear? Dev and testing team member, dev and testing team members will use Jenkins to run the job, to run the job. Okay? To run the job. So dev and testing team, what they will use, they will only run the job. Right? But as a DevOps, we need to create the Jenkins job, right? We have created Jenkins job in previous session with different use case. Okay? Now, now coming to Jenkins. Now coming to Jenkins. Now I am creating one user. Where we can create user? So we need to go to Jenkins dashboard. One second. This is Jenkins dashboard. Okay. Uh, Manage Jenkins. We need to go to manage Jenkins. Under manage Jenkins, if you go here, we have manage user. Okay. See, this is users, right? Users. We need to go here and so what it is showing, guys? Only one user, that is VK Cloud. Okay, which is currently I am login with this account, VK Cloud. Now, if you see here, we have option create users. Okay, now we can create some user. Let me create Amit. Okay, Amit. Let me give some password. I am giving some password. Okay, let me give his full name Amit Kumar, and let me give the mail ID. I am giving only one mail ID. Okay. This is how I can create the user. Okay, let me create the user. I am creating the user. ठीक है. Can I log in into this account? Okay. Let me sign out. This is the username. Okay. Let me log out. Let me log out. Log out of this account. VK Cloud. I am giving Amit. And let me give the password. Maybe it is already taken. So let me use this. Sign in. Amit, see what is the name coming here? What is the name coming here? Are you able to see? Amit Kumar, right? Previously it is VK Cloud. But now try to observe. Now try to observe. Amit also able to Amit also able to create the job, na? Just think, Amit belongs to which team? Amit belongs to developer team. VK belongs to admin team. VK has created one account for Amit, but Amit also able to create the Jenkins account, na? Sorry, able to create Jenkins job, na? So this is not our requirement. Are you understanding? This is not our requirement. Our requirement is that we need to configure. We have to configure certain rules. We have to configure certain rules, and with that rules, I mean to say some permissions, so that they can able to perform some other activity, not other than admin. Not all admins role. Okay. Now let me log in again with VK Cloud. Come out of this dashboard. Now I am coming with VK Cloud. I am logging out VK Cloud, and I am doing. Okay. Now you are able to see, right? I have created one user, and this is the primary admin user, that is VK, right? Now, okay. So now we need to go where manage Jenkins again. We need to go manage Jenkins. Okay. Come down here. See, here is the option. Secure Jenkins. Security. Secure Jenkins define who is allowed to access to use the system. Go here, click here. There are options. Jenkins Jenkins own user database, LDAP. Okay. So there are different approach. Like LDAP is something authentication, right? This is some other thing. We will use Jenkins own user database. Okay. Now here, come down. Answer. Here, if you see authorization, logged in user can do anything. Do you want anything? No, na. So it is, see, there are options. Anyone can do anything. Legacy mode, logged in user can do anything. Matrix based, project based, matrix authorization. So this is the one which we need to select. Project based matrix authentication. Okay, if I will select this, see, some options are coming, right? What are the options coming? This is the user, overall, admin. These are the checkbox. See, these are the checkbox. So we need to click what options we want, read, create, delete. Then what related to credential, related to agent, related to job, who can build the job, who can create the job, right? Run, deploy, who can view, right? These are the metrics. So what kind of rules work we are assigning, that we need to define here. Till now we are good, right? Okay, let me clear the drawings. Let me clear the drawing. Okay, now. Now I have created one user, right? Already. What is his name? Amit, right? Let me check. Amit is coming or not. See, I selected Amit, so Amit is coming. Amit is coming. So now with Amit, what I need to do? I need to give some only read operation. I am giving only read operation. Overall read. Read means what? Build, cancel. Okay. Read. Let's say I'm not giving option to create a pipeline. Okay. I'm not giving an option to create a pipeline. So what is the best option is there that we will give? See, build. I'm checking this means Amit can build. Okay. Amit can read. Right? Amit can read. Something I'm giving. Okay. Now, one thing. Let me save this and apply. Okay. Can I log out of VK account and log in into Amit account? Let me log out from VK account and let's see what Amit is getting. Amit, let me log in with Amit. Now try to observe what Amit is getting here. Any create pipeline option Amit is getting? No, right? Amit is not getting any create pipeline. So this is how we can define. This is how we can define our pipelines. Sorry, our users, right? Now, let me again log out from Amit account. Let me log out from Amit account. Let me log out from Amit account and let me again log in with VK Cloud. Now I log in with VK Cloud account. We are able to see, right, new item plus symbol because VK Cloud having the privileges of what? Admin access. That's why VK with the VK user can able to create the pipeline, but not what Amit. Okay. Now let me clear the drawing. Hope you are good how to create this users. Any doubt here,
No,
guys? You are good, right? So different type of roles and responsibility based on that. We can check that where we need to go. We need to go here, manage Jenkins. As a VK is admin, so you can go here, you can create users. You can create users. Okay, just create user. Create user. This details you can provide here. Okay, and then what kind of roles you want to give to the particular user. Go to security. Where is security? Here is the security. Go to security. Okay, so project-based matrix. You can add users and you can give whatever you want. What kind of role, that kind of that related respective checkbox you have to select so that they can able to do anything. Okay. Let me click here, create job, delete job. Okay. Create, I am also giving overall create. Let me save and apply. Let me log out again. Let me type Amit. This time new item is coming, right? It means Amit able to create the pipeline. Till now you are good, right? See, so based on that, what kind of activity one person is doing, based on that, you can define the authorization and authentication. Okay. Hope you are good. There is not much command and anything, but let me move down. So where we need to go to manage Jenkins. Okay, this folder is to what? This folder is to check. This folder is to check is to check users.xml file, user.xml file. Okay. After that user XML file, you can able to see the logger. Let me go there. Go to EC2 instance. Okay. Now let me do again vi user.xml. Then I am giving you user.xml. Now Amit is coming, right? I created one more user. How to come out of this file? Previously only VK Cloud was there, but now Amit is coming username and some encrypted password. VK Cloud with encrypted password. Press escape button, colon, quit, enter. Okay. So it is to check user.xml file. Okay. XML file contain detailed information of users. Okay. What is next step? But users users dot xml is read only file. Read only user.xml is read only file. We cannot do any changes in this. We cannot able to edit this file. Now, how to create user? How to create users? How to create user? What is our step? Login with admin account. Whatever the account we are getting, login with admin account. In our case, VK Cloud is the login admin account. Today's session. Now go to manage Jenkins. Okay. Go to manage Jenkins. Go to manage Jenkins. Then what is our next step? Go to users. What we need to do? Create user. How to assign the roles? Again, go to, this is how we can create users. How to assign roles. How to assign roles. Login. Go to manage dashboard. Go to manage dashboard. After manage dashboard, go to security. After going to security, where we need to go? Let me log out from here because it is not having. So let me check with VK Cloud only. VK Cloud. Then you log in with VK Cloud. Okay. Where we need to go? We need to go to manage Jenkins. After manage Jenkins, we need to go to security. Okay. Inside security, then where we need to go? See, authorization. Especially in authorization, go to authorization. Inside authorization, we can select project-based matrix authorization strategy. Select project-based matrix authorization. Okay. You have to select this and provide add user and provide necessary necessary rules. Okay. This is how we have to add user and then provide group. We can create group also in group, right? We did not create a group, right? So we can create group also. So if you provide here the details, you will get the option to consider. Just give me a minute. I think that is under user friendly. Okay. That is not a problem. We'll see that. So you are good with right how to create users. Okay. Now next thing is master slave configuration. Master slave configuration. What is this master slave configuration? Configuration. Okay. Let me create one diagram. Come down. So this is our Jenkins server, right? This is our what? This is our EC2 machine. Inside EC2 machine, what we are having? Inside EC2 machine, we are having. Inside EC2 machine, we are having Jenkins. Inside Jenkins, we have different jobs, right? We are able to create job. So there may be a number of job, right? Job one, job two, job three, job, job four, like this. And we have what? We have Jenkins. We have Jenkins. Okay. Now, this is our Jenkins. Okay. Now, this is what EC2, EC2 VM, EC2 VM. This is our EC2 VM. And these are developers. Let's say these are the developer dev team. There are a number of users are there. This is one user. This is another user. Another user. Right? There are a number of people in there. One team. This is one dev team. Let's say this is a dev team or DevOps team, etc. ठीक है, development team or so what they are just connecting with this Jenkins. Okay, and this is one application environment. This is application environment. Okay, this is application environment. When I'm saying environment, mean dev environment, QA environment, prod environment, right? Dev environment, QA environment, QA environment. Then we have, let's say, prod environment. Okay, there may be a number of environment. I'm talking about main environment. Okay, so what happens once this job is there? This job, when we create this job, the same, it will trigger, job 2 will trigger, job 2 will trigger what? This job 2 will trigger dev environment. Job 3 will trigger QA environment. Job 4 will trigger prod environment. So in this diagram, there is a chance. There is a chance of load. There is a chance of load in Jenkins server. There is a chance in load of Jenkins server. So to avoid the load, we follow what? This is normal Jenkins diagram, but there is a chance because there may be n number of job. See, we are 1 or 2 users are there. In project, there are 100 users are there. Okay, everyone will trigger the pipeline. Everyone will do that. What will happen? A load will increase in Jenkins pipeline, in Jenkins server. Okay. Now, yeah, correct. Okay. So now Jenkins, whenever we are creating Jenkins, okay. So this is the server where the load will increase. Okay. Now, like this. Minimize this diagram. Zoom in, zoom out. Yeah, this is fine. Now, what we are going to do, we will change the configuration in such a way so that this is our Jenkins. This is same. This is the same way. This is the same way. This is our EC2 machine. This is what our EC2 virtual machine. Is our EC2 virtual machine. Okay. From this EC2 virtual machine, let me let me note down. This is EC2 VM, EC2 virtual machine. Inside EC2 machine, same way we have Jenkins. This is our Jenkins. I will zoom the diagram. Yes, I will complete it. This is our Jenkins. Same way we have different job. Let's say dev job, UA job, UA job. Then we have prod job. We have prod job. So these are the different jobs. And we have different EC2 machine. This is one EC2 machine. So there are 3 different machines. Okay? This is one EC2 machine. This is one EC2 virtual machine. This is another EC2 virtual machine. This is another EC2 virtual machine. Okay? This is we called as Jenkins slave 1. Slave means something like servant, right? Someone is master, someone is servant, like this. So Jenkins slave 2. The third one is Jenkins slave 3. Okay? And we know, right? To configure, always we require prerequisite is what? Java. So always remember we have Java inside in EC2 machine. So what will happen in this diagram? What will happen in this diagram? This is called as master. This is called master. And these all called, other are called slave. What will happen? This master will be here. This master will be here in one machine and it is talking to slave machine. So whatever the jobs are there, the jobs we are having configured in master, they are going to run. These jobs are going to run inside. For example, dev job. For dev job, we have slave 1. For QA job, we have slave 2. This is sorry, it should be slave 3. It should be slave 3. It should be slave 3. Okay? So there are 3 different types of slaves are there. And for means n number of slaves we can create. And we can create the pipelines in master. It can be run. For example, dev job we have created, QA job we have created, prod job we have created in master. But we can run that dev job in EC2 virtual machine 1. For QA, we can run in where slave 2, we can run in slave 3. So by this diagram, what we are observing? We are observing the load is not there. Okay, load is not there. So this diagram is with this diagram we can call as Jenkins without master and slave. Master and slave configuration. Select all, and we can save this. We can paste here. This is Jenkins with master and slave configuration. Hope you are good. Okay. Okay. So guys, this we will see practically. Okay. I am stopping my screen share now. Tomorrow we'll see this practically. Okay. I'm stopping my recording.